Hello, and welcome to the setup of the Aura Elite 4D massage chair. In this video, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step assembly of setting up your new premium massage chair. When your chair arrives, it is going to be in one large box. Once you have cut away the straps, free the top of the box by pushing in and up on the short ends of the box. Then lift straight up and set aside. Soliciting help will make this process easier. Now let's remove the protective packaging surrounding the chair. Once you have uncovered the main body of the chair, remove the plastic wrapping. Next, remove the accessory bag and set aside. In the accessory bag, we have one power cord, tablet holder, two spare fuses, the assembly guide, the quick start guide, the user manual, and lastly, the warranty card. Don't forget to register your warranty. This next step will require a partner to help lift the chair up and out of the tray. Using your knees to protect your back, carefully lift the chair and then gently lower it into place. Next, locate the power cord and the main power switch on the back side of the base of the chair. Flip the main power switch off, then plug the power cable into the respective port next to the switch. Now connect the power cable to a grounded outlet, then flip the main power switch back on. Now find the power button on the right armrest and press it twice to return the chair into an upright position. Next, locate the tablet holder and insert it into the base cover and hole on the left armrest. Screw the tablet holder shaft into the hole and hand tighten to secure. Now remove the remote tablet from the column airbag and place it into the remote holder. Then tuck away its cord inside the chair. Next, power on the chair by pressing the power button located on the top right side of the remote. Then run an auto program to ensure the chair is working properly. If the chair is working properly, feel free to take a seat and relax. Enjoy your new Aura Elite Premium Massage Chair, and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.